This 2011 Itasca Reyo 25T is a Class A RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab. This 2011 Itasca Reyo 25T is built on a Sprinter F50 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.